Oh, it's quite a fast moving one, isn't it? Are we going to get wet? So strange when you look at this, and Eden could come on this. It's a 1 week height restriction, but she couldn't go in the rapids. But it's all for safety, and I'd never ever try and get her on a ride to which the safety requirements say that otherwise. But it's so nice when you can all go on together as a family. Here we go, first drop. Photo! Woo! Oh, little splash! A mosquito! It's all stagnant water, isn't it? Oh, so there's some mosquitoes here already. It's not even hot. It's about 20 degrees today, so it's nice, it's pleasant basically. Sun's not out. Oh yeah. Down the drop. Woo! Oh, that's Wickie.
Wickie. Oh.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's another one. It's a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. We like the big ones. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's brilliant. Nice little log flume this. Great view there, the Premier Ride Skyrocket Sky Screen there. Not the nicest to ride on. I'm not going to go on that today. Yeah. I've not even seen it go around. But it's they're all exactly the same layout. They're not very comfortable. Oh, I've been told I've got to put my arms up. We are at the top.
Please can you take me? Sorry.
Like this. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to go down in the drop.
We are. It's a great view of Expedition G-Force there, isn't it?
Yeah.
The big orange one. Eden's got her hands up. She's ready to go. This is the big one. Here we go. How wet are we going to get? It's a double drop as well. Here we go. Woo! We got the brunt of it, I think. Absolutely soaked. How are you guys? Oh, we're drenched, aren't we, Eden? Yeah. Oh, it's good fun. That's the end of Wickie Splash.